Hi teachers and classmates! Today I will show you some food preparation techniques. First, we're gonna wash our hands. And we will gonna wash our vegetables. Then we will gonna slice it. First, we will slice it in half and slice it again in half to make it shorter. Once it's shorter, we'll slice it in half lengthwise. Repeat the same process until all the pieces are done. Slicing is cutting the food into flat, thin pieces. Well done! Now I will show you how to dice the food. But we will wash our hands first. Dicing is cutting the food into small squares. First, we'll cut the ham into strips lengthwise. Then we'll cut across the strips to create small even pieces. Continue cutting until the ham is fully diced. And that's it! Bye!